Good morning, my good friends. Happy Monday trading from your favorite CEO. Trade Ideas, just continuing to demonstrate how my methodology is the simplest and yet most potent for gains in the stock market. Here I am in TRBN, and I bought it because it was in the races a couple of minutes, well, about 15 minutes ago, and this is what I try to do. Enter momentum. Look at the longer term. That gave me a lot of confidence to be able to just kind of stay in it. And it's halted right now, which is always very, very good. I'm already locked in $611, and kind of bought it right at the open. And this is how I dominate with the Trade Ideas technology. Earnings in 2 days. Up 1800 right now, but probably going to be a little bit more before it's done. You should be using this tech to look for opportunities and to take advantage of them. Check us out, www.trade-ideas.com.